Question number 22 here says, which graph represents a cosine function with no horizontal shift, an amplitude of 2, and a period of 2 pi over 3? Okay, so basically here what you want to know is what all this means. Amplitude, in this case, refers to the height of your function from the midline. So amplitude is the height of your function from the midline. Okay. And the period, in this case, you're going to want to know is going to be the amount of time to complete one full curve. Okay, so in this case, from our midline, we have to have a height of 2 in this case. Now that has a height of 2, this has a height of 2, this one has a height of 2, this one has a height of 2. Okay, so you can see all of them have heights of 2 in this case, so that's not going to be a problem. So then we just need to know which one has a period of 2 pi over 3. Okay, so meaning the amount of time to complete one full curve is going to be 2 pi over 3. Now, when we're dealing with cosine, a full cosine curve is going to be something that looks like this. That is this is one full cosine curve. Now, it could be going up like this. It could also be going down. So it could be going like this. That would also be one full curve in this case. So if we look at our answer choices here, I'm just going to start picking some of these off here. Like number 4 is easy enough to see because they say 2 pi over 3 is right there. So if I did one full curve, well, one full curve in this case would be like from here to here, or I could say would be from here to here. Okay, but you can see it doesn't take 2 pi over 3 for one full curve to happen in this case. Okay, so we can roll that one out. So let's take a look at some of these other examples here in this case. So again, if I look at the first one, well, one full curve happens, oops, let's try to trace this correctly. There's one full curve, 0 to not 2 pi over 3, because 2 pi over 3 is out here. So from 0 to something else that's less than pi over 3. So that one would be ruled out here. If we look at the remaining answer choices, then we're down between 2 and 3. Okay, and another thing that you want to note is that it says that there's no horizontal shift. So the cosine curve does not start at 0. That would be the sine curve that starts at 0, which means I can rule out choice 2 here, meaning that it has to be choice 3. And as you can see, one full cosine curve would be about 2/3 pi, because you have 1/3, 2/3, then 3/3 pi, which would just be pi, and there you have it.